Hi, this is estate planning lawyer Michael Pevney, and I create estate plans for families. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what probate is, why it sucks, and what someone can do to avoid it. So first, probate is the government-run asset distribution program when somebody passes away. When somebody passes away, either with a will or no estate planning at all, their entire estate and everything they own has to go through probate, which is this government-run process. Now, why probate sucks? First, it's very expensive. The average home in Orange County, it would cost $43,000 just to get that home through probate. It doesn't matter if someone has a mortgage on the home or how much equity they have on the home. Average cost $43,000 just to get it through probate. Probate takes a really long time. Just to get assets distributed to your heirs or the kids or whoever you want that property to go to can often take up to 18 months and even as much as 2 years. The courts are very slow. Lawyers always have to get involved. A lot of documents have to be filed, notices in the newspaper and that sort of thing. And then with probate, there is a lack of control over how assets are distributed. And this really comes into play when people have kids. When stuff is left to kids that are under 18, they're often going to get that money right when they turn 18 if that property passes through probate by way of a will or without any estate planning at all. Now, the best way to avoid probate is to create a revocable living trust. And that is what I do with most of my clients because they either own a home in California and or they have kids that are under the age of 18. And by creating a trust, it's essentially a legal entity that's created by the client and me, and they put the home into the trust by way of a deed and other property into that trust. And the cost of creating a trust is a very small fraction of what probate would cost in the alternative. So by putting the home and other property into that trust, it avoids probate and passes on to whoever you want it to be passed on to by not paying those huge probate fees. Lawyers make a lot of money putting estates through probate. So a trust avoids the cost of probate, gives you much more control, and takes a much shorter period of time. And that's just a little video about what probate is, why it sucks, and what someone can do to avoid it. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below and to like this video. If you do have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning, you can set up a time to meet with me for free by going to ocestateplanlawyer.com. Once again, this is estate planning attorney Michael Pevney. Thank you very much for your time and thank you for your attention.